Want to save 25% off MSRP or more on a new motorhome? Then visit MHSRV.com.
Since when did spending time outdoors get this much fun? This isn't camping. This is living. There is no better way to spend quality time with the ones you love, and no better time than now. Explore together in a 2020 Outlaw from Thor Motor Coach. Traveling in a toy hauler is a unique experience. You get to take all those fun items with you, others have to leave at home. So you need some grunt. That's why the Outlaw is powered by a Ford E-Series 6.8-liter V10. The 305 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque make easy work of a full garage or the toys riding behind on the 8,000-pound hitch. The driver has some great mile-passing toys for the ride, like the touchscreen with satellite radio and Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calls or streaming your favorite playlist. You have an HDMI port to mirror your smartphone and USB ports to keep it charged. There's also enough cubbies and cup holders to make sure you have what you need with you, so you can skip the stops and get where you want to be. When you arrive, make it official. Spin the captain's chairs around. Now you're ready to enjoy the perks of traveling in an Outlaw. The floor plans are designed for the ultimate in comfort and convenience. Sit back on the sofas and take in the scenery through the large windows. There's your comfort. Keep your devices charged and your drinks full with the pop-up outlet and cup holders. That's convenient. So are the table options. Set them up to fit your needs. Dinner, games, one here, one there. Maybe you need two here. And notice the cargo net with USB charging ports? Let your phone charge while you sit back and catch a movie on the TV. Since the Outlaw comes standard with the WineGuard Connect 2.0 Wi-Fi 4G hotspot, set up your own safe and secure internet connection to stream all your favorites. The Outlaw also has a 1,000-watt entertainment inverter, so you'll never be left with an unintentional cliffhanger. You're going to find great kitchens in the Outlaw. You have the room you need with the flip-up countertop extension, a large stainless steel sink, a 3-burner gas cooktop, convection microwave, double-door fridge. This is everything you need to keep those faces smiling. Let's talk about the great bathroom setups in the Outlaw. The hooks keep towels off the floor. Tankless hot water means everyone gets a hot shower. You'll find large counters surrounding your sink and space below for clean towels so everyone has one. And no bathroom is complete without a medicine cabinet. In an Outlaw, you're going to want to bring so much with you. It's possible with storage just about everywhere you look and closet space to hang what you need. You are going to find great sleeping options in all Outlaw floor plans, starting up front with the over-the-cab bunk. You also have the sofas. How about this? Turn the key and down comes your queen-size bed. A quick flip, now this is the easiest way to make a bed in the morning. Finally, in the garage, a drop-down queen bed. With the screen doors, you can let a breeze and the sounds of nature in while you sleep. There are even cup holders for a middle-of-the-night drink. While we're back here, raise the bed and let's talk about the star of the show, the garage. There is so much to show you. Flip the door to the cabinet down and you have a great work table. Up above, your Bluetooth Coach radio system and a 12-volt station if your toys need a charge. Over to the other side where you have a TV, handy storage shelf, and the garage has its own AC unit to keep you cool. What about this setup? This is organization. Maybe hang a helmet on the wall hooks, a shop towel, gloves, get a project started on the table. Or after a day of trying something new, it is the perfect place to hang your coat and leave those dirty boots. We need to talk ramps. You have a few choices depending on your floor plan. Open the side door and unload your fun. Or drive right up the ramp, then set up the patio for some outdoor living. Whether you want to ski or ride down a mountain trail, the Outlaw lets you bring it all with you. Remember that table inside where you were working on the project? Move it outside. Set down a drink and get the camera ready for your trip down the hill. Or take the top off. Now you have a great place to hang and dry those towels after you come back from the beach. The Outlaw may be prepped for solar, but maybe you need a break from the sun. Put out the power awning with LED lighting, pull up a chair, and watch the TV on a swivel with Bluetooth soundbar and radio. This looks like a lot of fun, doesn't it? Maybe now is the perfect time to go have some of your own. This is the 2020 Outlaw from Thor Motor Coach. Find the Outlaw floor plan made to fit you at thormotorcoach.com.
If you would like to see sales prices from the only full-line and fully authorized Thor Motor Coach dealership in the world, visit Motorhome Specialist at mhsrv.com or call 800-335-6054. Motorhome Specialist is the #1 volume-selling motorhome dealership in the world, with over $165 million in inventory to choose from, all at one central location, making it easy to fly in from anywhere in the country and then drive your new dream motor coach home. All sale priced at a minimum of 25% off the manufacturer's suggested retail price every day. You will also enjoy the premier delivery process that can only be found at MHSRV. From the extensive pre-check and make-ready process to the only dealership performed and fully automated rain booth test in the industry, you'll see a world of difference at Motorhome Specialist. These additional detail and inspection processes are just a few of the countless steps taken here at Motorhome Specialist to help ensure that you not only receive a better selection and price, but also the unparalleled quality and service that you deserve to go along with it. So get busy living in an all-new Thor Motor Coach from Motorhome Specialist today. Why pay more? Why settle for less?